with two certain things in this world, death and taxes. So that's why I said, mas mayaman ang gobyerno. In the right perspective. The question is, how do we spend our money, the people's money, efficiently and effectively? That is a question belongs to our leaders. Pwede naman natin yung sinasabi ni Robert, pwede ko itong tirahin. Mangyari by June, tapos to. Kaya lang kawayan yung lalagay. Kaya lamang, kaya tayo nagseremonya ngayon. Para pag-alabin ulit ang damdamin ninyo. Kasi marami sa inyo, lalo yung mga nanay ninyo, yung mga teacher ninyo, parang nawawala ng pag-asa. Para bang kailan, hindi makatikim ng kasiguruhan. Sapagkat, well, among ourselves, as Manilans, alam natin, bakit yung Albert, mas malaki pa yun. Pandemya. Kasagsagan ng pandemya. 2 taon lang, natodas. Napakinabangan muli. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, nawalay lang ako saglit. But today is a ceremony to light the fire again. Yung 3 taon ninyong natingga, I'll make sure through our engineers, architects, construction workers, we'll make sure to the barangay officials, to the parents, the faculty, pag hindi ito natapos ng 1 year, sole pera. Andres. At pipilitin ko sa tulong ng SDO family in the region, in the city. By the time dumating kayo dito, notebook na lang ang dala nyo. No more earth movement, no more disarray. You're just gonna sit on an upscale public education classroom. In my own little way, I will move heaven and earth. As I have promised, ito alam ng mga chairman, marami sa kanila nakapakinig sa akin ng kampanya at saka yung mga taga-Sampaloc. Totodasin ko to ng December 2026. Yun ang pangako ko. Hindi ko naman maintindihan pagkadating ko, nana na lang ang umaagos sa ugat ng Maynila. Wala nang dugo. But then again, I have to give it to people, to the SDO family, to the board. We really tried our best na magsubi, magtabi. Because it is a commitment publicly stated by yours truly in the last election. And we will fulfill that promise as like what the Vice Mayor said. And bagay naman na ipinagpapasalamat ko sa mga konsyal ng Maynila. Nandito ang ating konsyal, Attorney Lady Quintos, Eunice Castro, Doc Almiron, Ryan Ponce, DJ Bagaching. Pero kalimutan nyo na siya. Mas paborito ko si Hannah Bagaching. Boundary ka na naman. Si DJ, pareho kaming tahusa. Kami mga batang sansuwi. Mga kabataan, di alam mo yun. Alam mo yung sansuwi? Tanongin niyo yung nanay mo. Mami, si Daddy ba sansuwi? Sansuwi. Isang sut-sut, uwi.
Oo nga, no?
Because Because, in married life, soon you'll be marrying somebody. There are only two rules in happy marriage.
Yes.
Number one rule, wife is always right. Number two rule, if you think your wife is wrong, refer to rule number one. Happy wife, happy life. But I am more excited and happy for the students of Magsaysay and the faculty and to the community. Of course, this is a big task. Alam niyo itong mga pinaggagawa namin. Almario, Manila Science, Albert. Ano yan eh? Masyadong mataas na pangarap sa isang pampubliko para lang. But then again, as I have said, bakit? May pera naman tayo eh. E di gawin natin, when we try to cure and address the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom, we don't address it for today. We must address it 10 years from now at isabay natin yung population growth sa construction growth of space. And before we know it, come the next leaders who will follow me will have a better school environment to live. Ganun na talaga ang pagpaplano. Unang-una, mahal ang lupa sa Maynila. Mura ba lupa sa Maynila? Ako, napakamahal. Kaya dito, kahit ismit, nagkakatalo. Kaya nga bang kita dito, nakakahoy. Kasi sayang din yung 1 square meter. But the thing is, you can just focus the resources, address one problem at a time, continue and consistent and put persistency in the program. Before you know it, madami na pala. Kaya sa aming Congresswoman Maceda, maraming salamat sa pakikisa sa programa Pang-Edukasyon. Sa ating mga principal, to the DepEd family, to the SDO family, to the faculty, nadali nyo na yung allowance. Ako, yan na. Okay, maglalala. Na-update ko lagi. And soon, kami ni Ma'am Gayola, may pinag-uusapan na kanina, yung endgame ko. You know, you may look at this by its face, where I am trying to confront the universally approved, acceptable student-teacher ratio. But may endgame to. Because we created space, and someday, somehow, malay ninyo, makarinig kayo ng teacher na may condominium na 2-bedroom. Malay nyo. Because, tingnan ninyo kay snowball yan. When you plan ahead, when you plan things, ano yung subsequent effect o ripple effect na pwedeng mangyari that will bring us another confrontation with the social perennial problem by doing one thing. Kaya yung madalas ko pong sabihin na pumanatag kayo, mag-iinam ako, o sisinupin ko. There is action behind those words. And hopefully someday, through the help of our SDO family, we can come up and get to that end game for our faculty in the city of Manila. At saka yun hindi drawing. Nangyari na po yun sa engineering. Nangyari na po yun sa Manila Health Department. You heard it already. You saw it already. At nangyari sa ordinaryong mamamayan ng lungsod. At may mangyayari sa Marso para sa mga mamamayan ng lungsod. So, again, let me repeat. Pumanatag kayo, ano man ang maliit na kakayanan ng ating lungsod. under our watch, we'll spend the vision. And we'll invest. Continue to invest to MBN. MBN. Doon lang tayo. Hindi na ako yung mga palamutin, halamanin, bulaklakin, pakislap-kislap. Ang tawag ko lang dyan, Ajinomoto. Umami. Pampasarap ng lasa. But the main ingredients in addressing the quality of life, pagpapataas ng kalidad ng pamumuhay ng tao, yun ang ating pupuhunan. MBN, Minimum Basic Needs, Education, Healthcare, Housing, and Jobs. These are the 4 pillars. The way I look at it, and I may be wrong, but as far as my experience is concerned, as far as the data and science of governance, this is what you call the real, true poverty alleviation. Pagpapataas ng kalidad ng pamumuhay ng iyong nasasakay. Maliwalas sa pamayanan, may kapanatagan. At may programang pangkasalukuyan, may programang pangmatagalan. So, doon po tayo. Kaya, again, to the project manager, the vice mayor, Engineer Andres, to our principal, to our superintendent, to our congressmen, councilors, we, your principals, and SDO family, in government, magbubuti kami. Kayo ba'y may jacket na? Wala kayong jacket? Bigyan ng jacket ka. Kasi, pag-soak pa nyo next year. Tapos, lastly, on the side, ewan ko kung napansin nyo lang, mga chairman, for sure, naggawa na rin kayo ng mga event dito nung araw. Ito, alam to ng mga teachers, mga students. Napansin nyo, maliwalas. Yung hangin, tagos-tagos. The way it was in Albert. Kasi that's supposed to be maliwalas. Baka mamaya, maging soccer player pa sa inyo pagdating ng araw. Walang sinabi yung eskwela ng anak ko. Xavier. Doon ako namobye, yung Xavier School. Mas maganda pa kayo sa Xavier School. And if I may share to you one of those discussions, why am I building this much for public education system? Alam nyo, nandila ko sa kanila. Ako, hindi ako pinalad. Pero maswerte ako sa nanay. Maswerte ako sa tatay. Salat lang talaga buhay nila. Talagang ganun eh. Pero yung mga anak ko, pinalad na. Sabi, bakit? Pinalad na ako eh. Hindi na nila natikman magbatuhan ng fried chicken araw-araw. Kami, kahit kami mahirap, ang chicken joy sa amin, sasawa kami. Chicken joy sa umaga, chicken joy sa tanghali, chicken joy sa gabi. At may merienda pa kaming champ. Pero hindi yun na-experience sa mga anak ko. Ang na-experience sila ang maayos din. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, yung na-experience ang anak ko sa pribadong paralan, maramdaman ng mga magulang na ma-experience din ng anak nila. That is our aspiration. That is our. Kaya po sa mga teacher, maraming salamat sa pagpapasensya ninyo. Sa mga bata, ay patawarin nyo na ang lungsod ng Maynila. Hindi ko kayo interes pagpuntahin ng mga nagdaang panahon ng 3 taon. It is not the intention. The intention is to finish it in 2 years. But today, I guarantee you, thank you sa inyo ginawa ninyo kung mayor. Thank you very much. Now, I assure you, next year, on the same time, we will inaugurate Magsaysay. So muli, Ma'am Liden, sa po ng iyong kasamaan, ay lagi po kayo welcome sa Manila. Sabi nga ng mga principal, sana all. Sana tondohay naman next time. 209 fully air-conditioned academic classroom. Bagay, pamilyar na dito mga estudyante ng magsaysay. Auditorium, air-conditioned. Gymnasium, air-conditioned. Hindi na uhulas ang mga chinchansu at Natasha ng mga teacher sa umaga sa quadrangle nagpa-flag ceremony. 4 science laboratory, library and e-library, 2 sped classroom, 8 elevators, outdoor basketball court, football field, practice house, outdoor sports and exercise area, sewerage, water treatment, admin office, 16 offices, NDR RMO office, 9 faculty rooms, co-op office, 2 lab stock rooms, roof deck service area, 3 males here and 3 females here per floor. Electrical room maintenance per floor, pump room, 6 staircases, and parking space. Wow! May kotse kayo? So these are the facilities of your school. Muli, thank you for the opportunity to be of service. Again, naldugod, magsisikap ako. But I have to beg you, I alone cannot do it. I need your help. Tulungan ninyo ako, mga barangay chairman, mga barangay official, mga guro, mga mag-aaral. Because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang umaga, pagpalain nawa kayo ng Roma. Maraming salamat po. Manila! God first! God first, thank you.